at this application here called Urban VPN Unblocker. Pretty much proxy unblocker. So I'll be giving a full tutorial on it so you can use it like a pro. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This is pretty much the whole scheme of the application. Very simply out. And this application does have a lot of limitation, as you can only use 100 megabytes per day with this application. So do keep that in mind. Also, if you want to get unlimited usage, you pretty much have to upgrade to the premium subscription. So here you can tap on the location section down here to pretty much see all the servers or all the free servers that you'll be able to use. Not much, but good amount of servers. As you can see here, quite a lot of servers for almost all countries, guys. So almost all countries. So if I scroll down, as you can see, a lot of servers. So the ones without the premium subscription beside of it, those are free servers. So the one that says premium, you're gonna need a subscription. And let's say you like one of these servers, for example, Argentina server here, you can add an R to it and pretty much add that to your favorite server. And you can go to the favorite section and pretty much find that same server there. The history section, which pretty much show you all the servers that I've connected to before. So that's pretty much it for that there. And once you have selected your server, you can pretty much tap on this here where it says the connection button. Looks like a play button. Once you tap on that, we'll ask for connection request. Let's tap on OK. You're pretty much good to go. We'll start connecting in no time. Free servers are extremely fast, but you have a limitation of 100 MB. So it's gonna done real quick, especially when using TikTok or YouTube. But if you want to get the premium subscription, you can always tap on the upgrade to premium. Once you have tapped on that, you can see the premium subscription prices, and you do get a 7 days free trial, which you can try the application and see if it's best for you to use or if it's good or what the case is. But they do give you a 7 day free trial, which you can test out their servers and everything. But that's really pretty much it for this application. Very stable, very straightforward, very fast. Even the free servers are fast, but a limitation is there. But it's still a good VPN. And with all that, guys, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.